You go back.
It's so nice. That I like it with strawberry jam too. I'm so interested.
You're what?
I'm so interested that this is going to be my first new uploaded video.
You see, I was the genius. I said it. Daddy, would the line of best fit be straight in this case? Because that...
A line of bed?
Yeah, because like 3 dots here, straight.
Alright, yeah, I think it's going to be straight on all these ones.
It's going to be very slightly angled.
They now only got the old photos up.
Wow.
Daddy, they now got the old photos up.
Oh, really?
Yes, but Daddy,
Yeah.
the new Google Maps app changed to the driving app. Basically, when it was older, that was a widget,
okay.
and I had that before we even like just.
Yes, you were right, Henry. He does
hard
want to
reset
watch
the
his
phone.
same photos. Yeah.
I'm a genius.
Genius.
An absolute genius. So, y intersects 70.
Right, there you go.
Why are...
Yeah, it's good that I've got like new features.
New features.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this is pancake number 3. It's pretty much
Okay.
ready.
They only have that pancake.
Well,
Okay, wait, let's just do all of them first.
Okay, let's do all of the pancakes. The food is so long. It's 2 minutes and 6 and 7 and 8 seconds.
Oh, really?
So for 6.
It's so long.
Shall I turn a light on?
Yeah.
Let's turn.
Nice.
Yeah. Did it lighten up the area?
Yeah, they light it
Oh,
up.
everything looks nicer. Yeah.
They looks like yellow too. It looks like
Yeah, a bit more yellow. Yeah, you're right.
it looks like everything's fine when I've got your sunglasses on. Everything looks fine when I've got your sunglasses
yeah.
on.
My skiing ones.
Yeah. They're really funny because everything looks fine. Fine is dead.
Okay. Okay, you ready? Wait. Yes. We're watching you, Alexander. Let's upgrade the wall here.
I'm still Arizona at the time.
You gonna show him the time?
I can't because I'm using this watch.
Oh, another thick pancake. We go for the thick pancakes.
Daddy, please can you, Daddy,
It's a very nice calculator on here.
Daddy, yeah, that is for me.
Daddy,
Daddy,
Yeah.
can you,
Be careful.
no, make me a story. Ow!
Put your hand on your back. Oh, put
As
your
soon
shoulder
as I
blade.
need
Put
to,
the handle.
I need to sketch it. Daddy, can I have that pancake?
Yeah, I'll just do them all and then we can eat them.
No, can I have that? Is it?
Oh, no, just wait.
Dad,
just wait because we oh, we don't have any jam. What are we going to have on it? We don't have any. Oh, we have some lemon.
Yeah, lemon and sugar.
Lemon and sugar. We've got lime as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
but do we
Okay,
have
this one's a little
xylitol or normal sugar? Daddy, that's the only
Okay,
thing.
so this one's cooked through.
They do have xylitol or a normal sugar. Daddy.
Xylitol and normal sugar.
Yes. That's the only question.
I think we have xylitol. Do you want it? Yeah, we do have it.
Yeah. Okay, so xylitol and sugar.
What do you want? Let's go. Daddy, I looked up everything. I found that that was fully correct. It says an average shoe size for a 7 foot person
Yeah.
is like 10 to 12.
For a 7 foot tall person.
Yeah. In
No.
America.
American shoe sizes are.
No, I looked it up.
One. I think I'm size. I think isn't American size one size bigger than British ones?
I don't know. It just says 10.
Right, watch out.
They can they give me the pancake under that one? They give me the pancake under that one.
The second pancake then.
The
Well, that one
pancake.
was a bit thick and heavy. Okay. Okay, so let's move those down.
Pancake under that one.
Do you want some lemon?
Yes.
Do you want to squeeze? Do you want to squeeze it?
No sugar first.
Xylitol.
Yes, sugar first. I got a little bit lemon. I keep on getting the this wet thing on
Okay,
me.
and now what? Squeeze lemon. Can you do it?
Yes.
Try it.
It doesn't work so good.
Yeah, you did a good job. You got started. Let's have a look. Yeah, you did well. Squeeze some lemon out. Let's squeeze a bit more. Oh, pip. Pick up the pip and just chuck it somewhere in the bin.
There's two on. It's not. I can't get it.
Edward.
Was it too slippery?
Yes. It was.
Oh, there's another one.
Daddy, I'm hungry. I want a pancake.
Mm.
Right.
The kettle. Stay.
Let me have-
I need more. They look. 2 rolls are gonna have none.
Now, do you want me to roll it up? Or a bit more lemon?
A bit more sugar around it here.
Right, see, if you put the juice on first, then the xylitol will stick to it with the sugar. Watch your elbow on the thing if you didn't look at it there. Right, here we go. So, roll.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Are we chopping it like sushi?
Yeah, we are.
Right, you can try it. Use the... No, start at the end. Use your hands to hold it down.
Yeah, but I don't like. Yeah, but then they're gonna. They get unrolled if I do it.
Let me do
Okay, so...
it.
Yeah, let Henry do it.
No, aren't you two?
Let Henry do it.
I have excellent
Henry's a
knife
pro.
skills.
Nice skills. Oh!
I figured out why.
There's 3 washes in the box.
I know it gets unrolled. No need to be cry about it.
Unrolled.
I don't want it. You're old.
I didn't cry about it.
No.
You know why? And Alexander, I didn't tell you to cry about it. I told Edward to. You're good. Actually, I don't have to sharpen knife. I would have preferred that to sharpen knife.
Yes, it's easier with a sharper knife.
Daddy, can we just get a chopping board so that I can slice all of it? So, Daddy, I
Small
can.
chopping board.
Yeah, so I can slice mine to perfection. Edward, I'm gonna slice mine to
Mine
half.
don't crash into anything, Edward.
Half.
I'm
half
still filming.
Alright, so
Henry,
Henry-
you're blocking the camera.
Henry's epic knife skills here. So first stage of making our epic pancake. So we go pancake, okay? And we're going to do the whiter side on the inside because the browner side has less holes. So white side on the inside. Pretty easy, so that all of that will go inside the bread, right? Yeah, you want that. Now we need some brown sugar. Brown sugar just gives you a taste of richness, and it just makes the flavor a lot more deep. Just sprinkle it
Oh, I can give some pancake to Alexander in a minute. Let's set up. Oh no, we don't want to move Henry's maps whatsoever.
Spread out brown sugar. Then we'll get your lemon, and then you squeeze it just on the sleeves. Make sure to not have a cut. What the hell? This is really. There's ultra dark brown
Yeah,
sugar.
there's a mix.
And then they look at the bottom how dark it is. That's black.
The last pancake is an extra big one, extra thick. Too thick.
Squeeze it.
Too thick.
Do this. I drip. Now we can just use it. Tap it out. Get it through this
I think it's going to be okay, even if it's a bit thick. Let's put the butter away.
Sure to take out the pips. Accidentally got some sugar on the lemon. Hand wash. Now this is when your skills go in. So you lift it up. You just let that lemon
Oh, yes.
flow.
Nice brown
And now
juice.
we can start just rolling it. I'll just, as we roll this, so make it as tight as we
It's a weighty pancake.
What?
It's a weighty pancake. It's a thick and heavy pancake.
It's also like a weight at the
A
edges.
bit crusty.
That's
Okay.
a weird pancake.
Weird. Weird.
Alright, so now you've gone your roll. Your base of it. Now you unroll it, and re-roll it. Make sure it's tight. Ultra tight. There we are.
What happened?
Cut off the end.
You clonked his head?
Yeah.
Don't clonk his head. He's 5. You're 5. He is. How old are you?
And he is 5.
You are 5.5. You need to be careful enough not to clonk him in the head.
Yeah. I don't.
Well, you should do. Try harder.
You try harder.
Right, next we're going to cook an Edward in the pan.
Make it nice and hot with some oil before you
We're going to deep fry Edward
because he'll
and
still be
batter
a
him. And then we're just going to roll him up and pour sugar all over him. Lovely. Right, don't even need to wash up. Yeah, who cares about washing
now time to do some next level serving.
up? Next level, Henry.
There's 15 minutes and 6 seconds.
Okay.